Hello everyone. Welcome to our Proof of Concept series Part 1, the Indoor Surveillance Camera. You can find this example under Examples, Ameba Pro2, AC-powered camera. We will run through some important sections to help you try this out immediately. First, this example sets the AMB82 Mini Up and Wi-Fi AP mode at 2.4 GHz. You may change the SSID password and channel when necessary. Next, we can configure the MP4 recording settings. The default duration is set to an hour. The file name is set in the subsequent part. Now this section handles the logic for when an object or motion is detected. Line 191 is where you can change the name of your MP4 recordings. Finally, to minimize video file fragmentation, we have added a delay to stop recording only after a short period of inactivity in the scene. You may either change this define or the delay in line 205 for greater precision.
Now for a demonstration,